everyone, welcome back to Messy and Beautiful. I'm Sarah Jane, thank you for joining me. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my advent calendar. This is the first day that I'm going to film, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a few days and then upload a video. So I don't know how many days I'm going to be doing, so I can't say, you know, I'm opening 2 days or 3 days or whatever it may be. But I just thought that I'd like to open these on camera because I'm really excited about the contents. You might remember, if you've seen my first unboxing, that was part of my Christmas planner setup that I ordered from Puddles Co. And from Little Pencil Design. I've got a discount code for Puddles Co. as well in the description, so if you wanted to go and grab anything from the shop, then you can feel free to use that. You get 10% off a £5 order, but that's prior to shipping, so you need to make sure that the cost comes to over £5 before you pay the shipping to get the discount. So I just wanted to go through with you what I'm doing and the reason why it might seem a little bit disjointed day by day. But just to share with you my experiences of my advent calendars. I've said as well that this is the first time that I've ever had advent calendars like this. So I wanted to share my excitement as well, just because why not share it with everybody else. So I'm actually going to start with Little Pencil Design. I'm trying very hard to avoid anybody else's spoilers, but it's really difficult when there's so many of us posting about things on social media. So today we get a cute little sampler sheet. That is adorable. I'm absolutely in love with Flump. Flump is the character from Little Pencil Design, and then there's Hammy here as well. I absolutely love them. That one's really cute. That one says thank you key workers. That's really nice. There's thank you to them for this year. I think it's really appropriate. I quite like this word of the year sticker as well. I think I'll be using that soon. I just think they're adorable. I'm really pleased with that. These calendars are so exciting because the contents, you just don't know what you're going to get each day. They're all different shapes and sizes as well, which is amazing. So the next one is Peach Puddles, and again with the green foil, look at those, be jolly. You could colour those in as well because they're only outlined. You can colour in the middle of them to be whatever colour you wanted. I definitely need a bit more be jolly in my life. I hope you can see the foil on camera. I can't see what you see, so I don't know what it looks like, but it's so pretty. Right, so there we go. So that's day 2 of my advent calendars. I'm just going to link on every video rather than, you know, saying goodbye and that sort of thing and introducing every time. But like I say, I don't know how long the videos are going to be. So that's it for today. So there we go. This is day 3. We're on the 3rd of December for my advent calendar. I'm just going to open day 3 and get on with it and stop rabbiting on. I'm really excited about this one because it's such a different shape to all of the others, so it's definitely not like a sheet of stickers. So let's just get into this little parcel. I might actually need some scissors. Shows my present opening skills, doesn't it, this one? Wow, this is wrapped well. Oh, there we go. Oh, how cute. Oh, be someone's silver lining. It's a cute little pin badge. That's adorable. I really like these little rainbows. My daughter got a present for her birthday that had a little sticker on that had this similar type rainbow as well. That's so cute. Really like that one. So that's the first one. And then the second calendar, as you know, is Puddles Co. And this one is, oh wow, hot chocolates. Look at those with the little gingerbread men sticking out. They're great. I love them. You might remember in my Christmas planner video that I actually said I've got a hot chocolate station this year as well. So every time I have a hot chocolate now, I can document it if I really wanted to. But yeah, so that is day 3. So here we are on the 4th of December with my advent calendars. I'm sorry if this video works out really disjointed. I've never done anything like this before where I've tried to, you know, take clips and put things together. But I hope it does work out and that you do enjoy it. So the 4th day for Little Pencil Designs is a sheet of stickers. Oh, these are gorgeous. Do you know, I'll use everything on here as well, and it's rare that I get this sort of sticker sheet where I will use absolutely everything. So there's eating, planning, reading, loving, dreaming, drinking, watching, listening, and then currently stickers along the bottom. I just think that is brilliant. I've just done my very first currently page as well yesterday. So for me, it's the sort of thing that now I am definitely going to be using because I really enjoyed making that page, and it just gave me something to do in my planner. It's just a nice way for me to relax on an evening. I hope that these will be available in the shop to buy, because I think I probably will get through quite a few of these each year. I'm really pleased with those. And then the next one is the Peach Puddles Co Advent Calendar. I haven't decorated my tree from day one yet. I plan on doing that in the next couple of days, so I'll share it on Instagram when I do. You might well see that post before you see this video. But, oh look, it's like little gems. I really love this. So this one's just like a red die cut. It's not a sticky die cut, but it's got red foiling all over the top of it. It's really shiny. I would love that foil. Love it so much. So that's really cool. And then just some gem stickers to go with it. I'm surprised you get two things in here actually. These ones are rose gold. I'm just admiring as I talk rubbish to you. I'm surprised you get two things in one bag. That's really cool. That's so generous of Beth. But that's my advent calendar for day 4. I hope you're enjoying this so far. So we're now on the 5th of December and I'm about to open day 5 of my advent calendars. I'm just getting more and more excited by the day because all the parcels are starting to come in different shapes and sizes now. But I'll just crack on because otherwise I'll start talking and this video is going to end up really, really long. So this is day 5 from Little Pencil Design. Oh, and look how cute. Oh, you get double. You get 2 journal cards. Oh, look at Flump in the bear onesie. That is so cute. I love that one. And all sleepy looking with the little face mask. That's so cute. I like the pastel background as well. That's really cute. I can't help but use cute when it comes to Flump, when it comes to Halley. You know what I'm like. I start saying cute and I just get obsessed with the word. And then this one is Peach Puddles Co. Looks like another sheet of stickers for me. Oh, look at those. Red bows, perfect for this time of year. They go very, very well with my items in my Christmas planner. Hopefully you've seen my setup, so you've seen how much of it is red and green, so these will go really, really well with that. So another 2 amazing products from both shops. I feel like I'm being spoiled by these calendars, it's wonderful. So here we go with day 6 of the advent calendar unboxing. I'm just going to get stuck in rather than talk about everything. So we are opening Little Pencil Design, and oh wow, look at that. So Little Pencil Design do mini kits designed for like a single day, or if you use like a micro happy notes or something like that and you just wanted to do, you know, a couple of pages or a page in a happy notes or something like that. And this is one of the mini kits that goes with it. And look at the stack of pancakes, brilliant. So I haven't got anything for pancake day, so this is just going to be perfect by the time we get to that point. But you've got maple syrup there, obviously the cracked eggs, a whisk. Look at the little blueberries, they've even got like a little smiley face. And one of them, the like top of the blueberry looks like it's got a little crown on its head as well, which is super cute. So that's today's for Little Pencil Design. I spend a bit of time after this just sort of admiring what I've got because it is really exciting and I really want to feel grateful to these girls for designing some beautiful, beautiful products. And this is Peach Puddles Co. Oh my goodness, I have just seen what's on this. So look at this. It's a Halley Christmas decoration. It's got gold Halley. Hopefully you can see that. It just got foiled Halley on there, and it just hangs off your tree, which is just, that's amazing. I wasn't expecting anything like this. Hang with pride of place in my craft room, probably all year round actually, I'm not going to lie. I do love my Halleys. So that is day 6. Really impressed with those. The days just get better and better. I hope you are enjoying this unboxing. I'm going to try and keep going with it so that you can see every day, and it will be across a couple of videos. And if you have enjoyed it so far, then do hit the subscribe button down below. And thanks again for joining me. Take care now. Bye.